For the next challenge badge, you're going to be doing your chef badge.
For the first part of this tasty challenge, you need to create a 3-day Cub Camp menu. It needs to have 3 morning meals, 3 midday meals, 3 evening meals and a pudding.
Once your menu's been created, you have to bring it to life. From your menu, choose one sumptuous breakfast to cook and enjoy with your family. Next, pick one mouth-watering midday meal to cook and enjoy. Then select an elegant evening meal to enjoy. And let's not forget your pudding.
And remember, get a responsible adult to help you with the cooking bit of this challenge. And you don't have to do it all at once.
Now, to get your badge, I want you to put all your evidence into a single Word document and upload it to the usual place.
Oh, and a few words before we go. There's still plenty of time to go and do the Rainbow and Crafts badge. So go check out our previous videos and get
creative!